Well, it's got to be done and someone has to do it, so this is my chore today. This pile is huge. I'm gonna go throw it in the chicken run area. Let me see if I can turn you around to that side. This up so it doesn't fall over. There we go. And this is just deer netting. Right from their oatmeal from earlier. Gotta wash that. Okay, so if you didn't know, the birds actually like the leaves. It keeps them busy. If you just put leaves in their coop and run, they will, go through that, play in that. It keeps them busy, it keeps them entertained, and then that'll all compost eventually, all the leaves will. So I'm gonna continue working on this and then I'll show you the after picture. Okay, so first of all, I raked all of this. And I didn't show you guys that I have a little side trail right here that also has to be raked. I'm not sure if I'm doing that today or not. I might save some of my leaves to put onto my winter garden. I do have some radish and spinach growing, but I basically just put it in this free range area I have for my chickens. And like I said, they love it. Even just walking on it's fun because it makes all sorts of noise, and look, they scratch through all of it, which is cool. And I got enough I can rake this out more because it's really high right here, but got enough to put on the side. And then look, I have all that still too. And then usually I just put it in their run, but I wanted them to I want this to start composting out here too, and just more area for them. I put a little bit back here too. And also, I just put a little bit. I think I'll get more in their coops back here. All right, just wanted to show you guys, this is the life of a chicken mom. All right, see you guys in the next video. We out.